Welcome back to the Fabulous 95 and Happy Halloween, unless of course you're watching this video when it's not Halloween in like July or April or something, never mind. So today we are going to be taking a review of the new 2021 Mummy costume Luigi and Ghost costume Guido, because why not? Why the heck not? So, as you can see, it's new for 2021. I'm pretty sure the Ghost costume can come off, and you see the Luigi and the Guido. On the back, you see the Easter buggy, the camera car, and then other cars. And this was seen in Cars, which it was definitely not, but anyway. I'm going to get these guys unboxed, and if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. So I was right about the Guido. You can take off the ghost little part, and also you can also take it off the mummy part off of Luigi, like the Cupcake McQueen wrap. So technically, if you think about it, you could just like, I got these two right here, you could just like mix and match. So you could use the sandy ones from like Cars, but I guess their newer ones are a little different designed. But yeah. So, basically, the Luigi has got wrapped like he's a mummy, which is kind of cool for Halloween. And the Guido looks like he has a ghost cover, which is just a sheet with eye holes. Pretty cool. I know it's a short video. I just wanted to get something out for Halloween, and I saw these, and I'm like, it's time. So, I will see you guys in the next video, which I don't know what that will be, but I am trying to figure it out. So, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time.